welcome back to my channel. Today I recreated this Beetlejuice look. I had a lot of fun recreating it. This is one of my favorite movies as a kid and I had a lot of fun. So stay tuned so you can see what I did to recreate it. A lot of fun creating it. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any suggestions or if you have any anything that you want me to try to recreate in the future, just let me know and just comment below if you like it. If this was one of your favorite movies. I mean, this was one of my favorite movies as growing up, and I really have a lot of fun. So just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to let you know when I upload more videos, and just have fun. Have a nice day. Bye.